Okay, here's the thing. I always got these crazy projects on the go, and I've been told I should make a video because people want to see this stuff. So I guess I'm going to give it a try, and if it works out, I'm going to post it, and if not, you'll never know. The plan is I want to build a topsoil screener, a Trommell type deal, something that spins, and she puts soil in one end and it turns and the soil falls through and the rocks fall out the other end. I'm going to try to build it out of a hot water heater, an electric one. The first thing you got to do is take all the metal off the outside, the top and the bottom. Then a shell on the outside. Then all the insulation has to get scraped off and cleaned off. There's all these metal tabs that will have to get removed. I'll use a grinder for that. Heating elements, grind those out. Both of them. And then from there, you have a pretty round canister, I guess, and the plan will be to cut this into maybe 3 pieces or 4 pieces, and then stretch it out, and in between weld. I have all kinds of these metal rods, so in between where I cut and hold them apart, I'm going to put all these metal rods, weld it together. That will be for the rocks, so they won't fall through, and then on the outside of that have some sort of screen, but that's kind of getting too far ahead of myself here. I'm just gonna see what happens and go from there. Oh yeah, one more thing. I have all these wheels here, which I'm going to use later for mounting my Trommell, and I have a couple here on the table right now, so I can spin this easily for marking my inside diameter and this line here, and also these lines. And yeah, this is my power plant, an auger that does not work in our environment. We have way too many rocks, so this will somehow power this and turn it. We'll see how it goes. I'll let you know. Started with the grinder, and then the jigsaw makes a really nice cut. I would recommend the jigsaw for these, but I ended up breaking the blade here because of the angle. But it's faster and cleaner for this one. Turns out I only had one blade for the jigsaw, so I had to do the rest with the grinder. So one cut's done. A few more to go. Just smoking a little bit. Okay, all cut out. Half the bottom taken out. Cut into 3 pieces. Had to clean it out with a hose. There's a lot of rust in here. And the opening looks like this. Okay, at the scrap pile, Trying to look for materials, get some angle iron. Oh, here's the gold mine anyway. All kinds of random stuff. Okay. These bars are screwed to the table, equal distance apart, so if these are all sitting in here, they're hopefully nice and straight. I tried to put these angle irons in here to connect all these together, maybe 4 or so. Make sure that I keep turning it, that it stays nice and flat. And then fill the rest up. Got these bars spaced somewhat evenly. And then we'll see how that goes from there. Okay, I have my angle iron welded in here. So now the plan is to drill holes all the way along, maybe about 2 inches or so. And then where the hole is, put a weld. And then here's my iron bar. And then weld through the hole. Try to hit that iron bar. I'm running out of gas in my welder, so the welds are looking pretty shabby. But it is what it is. Okay, so I got all these bars cut off with the bolt cutters here. They're all a little bit different. Okay, that was a lot of work. Let's see how this goes. There, that's starting to look okay. Now for the mesh to go on the outside. Some sort of chicken wire. Okay, here it is standing. The wire wrapped around it twice up here. It's a 1 inch by 2 inch wire, so I have it doubled up to make a 1 by 1 or close to that. Trying to keep it tight with the ratchet. I'm going to twist little wires around everywhere like here to keep it on. There it is. My fancy soil sifter / Trommell.
I guess we'll call this part 1. And for part 2, we'll try to figure out the mounting and frame. Isn't that right? See it in action in part 2. Thanks for watching.